Hello, back. We're back at it. We're gonna explain now today uh, something that we already saw in the last blog. This is understanding the BICS, or CALP code. We're gonna now explain it in a deeper way because last blog I just brushed over it and went along because I had to explain the difference of the L2 and L1. But now we're gonna talk about it in an in-depth way, not in-depth like a lecture in the university, but in a way that you can understand the concept of it. So yeah, these are the two concepts of Jean Cummins' theory of language proficiency. So, there's two different types of language skills that students develop when learning a second language are going to be explained now. You're going to be able to tell the difference between it and how this affects the behavior of the students. So, now, first, BICS, basic interpersonal communicative skills. These are the everyday social language skills that students use to interact with people. BICS develop fast, sometimes in just 1 year or 2 years, because the students will use it naturally. They go along with it. It will flow. It will flow along. Obviously with practice. So some examples of it will be when a student says, "Miss, can I go to the bathroom?" Or when they say to their friends during break, "What are you doing later?" Other can be when they enter the classroom and say, "Good morning, teacher," or when they tell a classmate, "Wait for me." So these phrases and these moments sound fluent enough and confident, which can make us think that the student has a strong English skills. But that's not always the truth, because this is a surface level proficiency. So they need to still be learning the language after this, because this will put them in a not conversational level but near it, so they can defend or answer or ask some questions or phrases to be able to make them be understandable. But this is not a fluency goal. This is not the goal of it. This is not the fluency that the students should aim for. This is where CALP comes. What is CALP? CALP means cognitive academic language proficiency. So CALP is the academic school related side of language. It takes much longer to develop. So how long? Usually 5 to 7 years, because it requires deeper thinking and analyzing the structures to know how this will be learned. So some classroom examples can be when a student read the text about climate change and they have to identify the main idea. Another example can be when they answer, explain the cause and effects of this specific situation, or when they have to write a 4 to 5 paragraph essay, or when they hear the teacher ask them to analyze some data and draw a conclusion for it. This task requires academic vocabulary, organization, and critical thinking. More, this is not just answering "How are you? Fine and thank you." So this is in depth. This is a conscious effort to know how to read, how to understand, how to apply it, and how to talk it back. This will sum to the fluency that the student needs to be able to reach. So this is why it takes so long. This won't be that easy, for lack of a better word, but this will help them in the long run. This way they will find a, a level, a point where they can start being able to be conversational in a real way, in a natural way, in a cohesive way, in a communicative way. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.